right, I want to show you this clever little post that I have created on my business page. I did this for multiple reasons, and we'll go through it just a little bit, but you can only pin one post on your Facebook business page. So you can see this is a pinned post. It's the first thing that anybody's going to want to see. Now, I was torn on what I wanted to have up there because I could only have one thing. And then I remembered the carousels, the Facebook carousels that we could make. So that carousel is what I created. And I have 1 post, 2 posts, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This one is just the link that you give. But if they clicked on any one of these things, it is actually going to take them directly to my site. So it is a clickable link with these carousels. So these are really great for telling a story, for telling more than one thing, right? So that's what I did. I created kind of a newsletter that I wanted to keep up all month long and be able to refer people back to that would have all the information that I want them to have. So the first one is about the giveaway for the month and congratulating last month's winner. The second thing was the Club Couture that I wanted to tell them about. So if you have a Hostess of the Month club or a subscription box for your company, that's what you want to highlight there. And then I told them what the specials are for the month. And then, of course, join my team post and links to go with that. And then just some random join us for National Conference in Orlando. So each section has a graphic that goes with it. So it talks about the subscription box, it talks about the specials for the month, it talks about the enrollment kit, and then it talks about join us in Orlando. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do. Now, I didn't want to stop there. So we actually took that over to Instagram. So let's go over here to Instagram. And I will show you my post on my page. So I have this cute little video here, and it has basically the same exact post from my business page. I just took all of the graphics and put them into a little video instead of that carousel so that I could put this on Instagram. Now, stay with me. Here's what I did. I took the same post that I put on Instagram, but I said, get all the links by clicking in my profile, Melissa Feetsum, and tapping monthly giveaway. So if they click this, okay, and they go back to my profile and they click that link and they click on monthly giveaway, guess where it's going to take them? It's going to take them directly to my post with all of the links on Facebook. Okay, so it's a big circle that I made to get people from my Instagram over onto Facebook with some clickable links. All right, so I used Linktree, obviously, to do that. This is a very simple platform to use. You can use it for free, and this is the free platform. I don't pay for Linktree, so this is what it'll look like with free. Okay, so, and I have a video on that too if you want to see that. But back to this, all I did was actually save this post. So I posted this, and then I'll show you how I save that. Okay, so I click on the 3 dots and I saved the post, all right? And then I went to my saves and clicked on it. And this link right here is how I linked it on Instagram back to this post. So all you need is the link to the post in order to do that. Now, I want to show you how to do this this carousel post on Facebook, because it is a bear. I am telling you, it is not very nice to work with. So it used to be very simple, but now you have to go to Creator Studio, click on Post Something, and then right here, we're going to do March newsletter. Okay, so I want you to put a title first. Now, I fought with this thing over and over. I researched why is everybody having problems? Why can't anyone post a carousel? And I figured it out just by playing with it and messing around and refusing to give up until I did. So you're gonna type something first, okay? And then you're gonna click on multimedia, and then you're going to click on create a photo carousel. Now, you can't just click on this and put in your URL like you're supposed to, so don't get aggravated like me. Now, I'm going to come over here and I am going to get my website link, okay? So I'm going to get the exact website link. I'm going to copy that. And then we're going to go back over to Creator Studio. Okay, now you have to tab over until you get there and then paste just like that, okay? And then you're going to hit this and then it will allow you to create this carousel, all right? So now I'm just going to add the other photos that I wanted, which was this one and lucky you. So, all right. So just hit enter and that's going to pull those up. Now you want to drag this to the end so you can put these in the order that you want, okay? You can actually click on this and change what this says as well. And you can add the rest of your post now for that carousel, okay? So just so you know, it's a little bit tricky. It will only go to one link that you put in the beginning, and you literally have to follow the instructions that I said or you'll be frustrated and it won't work. It's just really glitchy. That's the only problem. But once you get it up and hit publish, it's totally fine. So just wanted to show you how I did kind of a loop post with putting that onto my business page, and now I can pin it and have all the information that I want everyone to see here. And then if anybody asks me any questions during the month, I can certainly just come over here and also tag them in that pin post on my business page as well. So fun, and that was my big job today.